I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing damage and removing the strap. Identify stitching breaks, surface cracking, or disconnected ends so you know your repair path. Use a spring bar tool to depress the bar. Make sure the watch head is protected on a soft cloth. Once one side is free, note spring bar size and orientation. If bars are bent, replace them. Keep removed hardware organized so you won't mix sizes during reassembly. This saves time and prevents mistakes. You now clean, repair, and condition the leather to restore flexibility. Gently wipe both faces with a damp cloth to remove grime. Allow to dry. Apply a small amount of leather cleaner in a circular motion, then let it sit per instructions. For hairline cracks, use a leather filler and smooth with a palette knife. Sand lightly when dry. Once surface is stable, apply a thin coat of conditioner to replenish oils. This prevents future cracking and keeps the strap supple. You finish by reassembling and testing fit. Insert the spring bar, compress it into the lug, then guide the other end into place until it clicks. Make sure the strap sits flush. Seal any worked edges with edge paint or wax and buff hardware for a finished look. Test wear for 24-48 hours to confirm strength. If stitching reopens or filler cracks, replace the strap. This is the key troubleshooting step. Repeated failures indicate structural damage beyond repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.